dear students, I am Vijay Kapkoti, your yoga teacher from Ardent Progressive School, Haldwani, Lamachor. Today we will take 3 asanas. They are the meditative postures. Their names are Swastikasana, Padmasana and Ardha Padmasana. Students, I hope you all are doing yoga daily. If you are not doing, you should do it. Yoga will help you lifelong. So you should pay attention to the yoga videos because they will help you lifelong and you have to do yoga daily. So let us start with Swastikasana. Swastikasana is a meditative pose, but it is easier than Padmasana, which is also meditative pose. For Swastikasana, first sit in Dandasana. Sit with the legs straight in front of the body. Bend your knees. Place the right foot in the space between the left thigh and the calf muscle. Grasp the toes of the left foot and pull them up into the space between the right calf and the thigh. Make the Gyan Mudra with the hands and place your hands near the knees. Straighten your back and close your eyes. Your head, your neck and spine should be in one line. Relax your whole body and make your mind thoughtless. In this asana, your position of legs become like the swastik mark. You have seen that swastik mark in your temple. See the swastik mark in the picture. These Swastikasana, Padmasana and Ardha Padmasanas are the meditative asanas. After the asana, before opening your eyes, you can do palming in your eyes. This asana is very good for your concentration and memory power. It have many other benefits too. We will discuss them later because they are similar to Padmasana and Ardha Padmasana. After doing the palming, you can open the asana and come in Dandasana again. Open your legs. Now we will do it one more time to understand it better. First we come to the Dandasana. सबसे पहले हम दंडासन में आए, फिर पाँव को मोड़ा, लेफ्ट लेग को राइट लेग के बीच में रखा और राइट लेग को लेफ्ट लेग के बीच में रखा. आपके जो पंजे हैं वो थाइस और काफ के बीच में रहते हैं. उसके बाद ज्ञान मुद्रा लगाएंगे और आसन में बैठ जाएंगे. आंखें बंद करेंगे, कमर गर्दन और सर को सीधा करेंगे और आपकी हाथ ज्ञान मुद्रा में रहेंगे. Keep your mind thoughtless and observe the peacefulness and the calmness. Relax your body. You can do it 10 to 15 minutes. These Swastikasana, Padmasana and Ardha Padmasana, all three asanas are the meditative postures. ये ध्यानात्मक आसन है. By doing them, we can increase our memory power and concentration power. Our mind power increases. After completing the asanas, before opening your eyes, you will do palming in your eyes. For that, you will rub your hands, make your palm warm, and when your palms become warm, you can bring them to eyes. Gently bring your hands down. Do 2 times palming, and after that, gently open your eyes. And now you can also open your legs, and you will come to the Dandasana again. This Dandasana is also the starting position of Padmasana. Now we will do the Padmasana. After coming in Dandasana, bring your left foot over the right thigh and right foot over the left thigh. After that, make the Gyan Mudra and bring your hands near the knees. Your neck, your head and spine should be in one line. Relax your body, close your eyes and keep your mind thoughtless. Observe the peacefulness and the calmness. Many of the benefits of Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana and Swastik asanas are similar. What are they? These asanas are good for meditation and pranayamas. These asanas are also good for our mind, memory and concentration. They give stability and peace of mind. They remove stress, anger and anxiety. They make our back straight and strong. They stretch the legs and they are good for runners. They help the stretching in the calves, spine and hamstring. In starting, you can do it for 2-3 minutes, and afterwards with practice you can do it 10 to 15 minutes or more. After the Padmasana, before opening your eyes, you will do palming in your eyes. You will rub your hands. After rubbing your hands, make your palm warm and bring your hands to your eyes and gently bring your hands down, touching your body. You can do it 2 times, and after this you can open your asana. Open your legs one by one and come to the Dandasana again. Now we will do the Padmasana again. For doing it, we will first fold one leg and keep its heel on the thigh of the other leg. Then fold the other leg and bring its heel to the thigh. The heels will be near the navel. After that, make the Gyan Mudra with your hands. Bring your hand near the knees. Keep your eyes closed. Your head, your neck and your back should be in one line. Relax your body. Feel the peacefulness and the calmness. After the practice, you can do this asana 10 to 15 minutes easily or more. But in starting, you might face some problem due to the stiffness of your ankles or the knees. If you are facing problem in doing this asana, then you can also do the Ardha Padmasana. After this asana, we will learn the Ardha Padmasana. You have to avoid the Padmasana if there is injury or pain in your knees or ankles or the hips. In sciatica disease also, you don't have to do the Padmasana. This Padmasana is very good for our digestive system and the nervous system. It makes our spine strong, our back becomes strong, our legs become strong. After doing this asana, we will do palming in our eyes. For palming, you will rub your hands and make your palms warm and bring them to the eyes. After bringing to eyes, bring your hands down. You will do 2 times palming. And after that, you can open your eyes and open your legs. Open your legs one by one and come to the Dandasana. Now you have to relax your knees because they were bended. So, for relaxation in Dandasana, keep gap between the legs. Keep your head over one of your shoulder. Your palms will face back side. Relax your body. Do it for the few minutes. दंडासन में रिलैक्सेशन को कंप्लीट करने के बाद अब हम अर्ध पद्मासन करेंगे। अर्ध पद्मासन के लिए भी फर्स्ट पोजीशन दंडासन की है। उसके बाद लेफ्ट लेग को मोड़ के थाई के ऊपर रखा और राइट लेग को मोड़ के उसे जांघों के बीच में डाल दिया और हाथों से ज्ञान मुद्रा बनाई। इस आसन में हमको बैठना है। यह आसन पद्मासन से ज़्यादा सरल है क्योंकि सिर्फ एक पाँव थाइस के ऊपर रखा है और दूसरा पाँव नीचे की तरफ को गया है और उसको हमने काफ मसल और थाई के बीच में रखा हुआ है। Benefits of Ardha Padmasana are similar to that of Padmasana, but they will be little lesser. After the asana, you will do palming in your eyes. For that, you will rub your hands and make your palms warm. Bring them to the eyes, and after bringing your palms to the eyes, you will bring them slowly down. You will do 2 times palming, and after that, you can open your leg and come to the Dandasana. Now we come in Dandasana. We will do this asana one more time. Now we are doing it from other side. So fold your right leg and bring it to thighs of the left leg. Fold your left leg and bring its toes in between the calf muscle and the thighs. Now make the Gyan Mudra. Close your eyes. Hands are over the knees. Your back, your head and neck should be in one line. Relax your whole body. Feel the peacefulness and the calmness. The benefits of this asana are similar to that of Padmasana. And when you complete your asana, you will do palming on your eyes. For that, you will rub your hands, make your palms warm. Bring your palms to the eyes. Again rub your hands, make the palms warm and bring them to the eyes. Gently bring your hands down and now you can open your eyes and open your asana. Open your one leg, then open your other leg and come to the Dandasana. Today we have learned 3 asanas, Swastikasana, Padmasana and Ardha Padmasana. I hope you like these asanas and you will do them at your home. Do yoga in the morning. Always stay healthy and stay blessed.